Hi and welcome to awen-lutherie. Welcome to this video build series where we will be building this 1x12 guitar speaker cabinet. I hope you enjoy as we go through all the steps of it, and please don't forget to subscribe, hit like, leave a comment if you want on each video. Thank you very much. I pretty much just built this box joint jig and this was my first test piece. So it actually came out really well. Right. Let's just jump in, I suppose. Alright, so I'm pretty happy with how the jointing came out on the table saw. And now I just need to glue it up. There is a bit of wiggle room. I need to fine tune that jig for the table saw. It gave pretty good results, but just needs that little bit of tuning up. So I've been thinking about how to glue this up and how to clamp it properly. Ideally I would use longer bar clamps. There, and there on both sides, but first of all I don't have enough clamps for that, and second of all the clamps won't overlap. So if I have a clamp going here and going here, I can't have another one going here because the jaws aren't long enough. So to get around that, I'm going to use, I have one clamp here, it's a band clamp which is going to go around the middle of the box, and for each of the corners I'm just going to drive probably a pair of screws, one in this side and one in this side, and again one there, the whole way around, and that will keep in the corners while the band clamp will keep in the center portion of it. I think that's the best way to do it, and they won't be seen because I'm going to be putting corner protectors on the whole cabinet, so that'll hide up any small holes from the screws. Yeah, I think that's about it. So I'm going to pre-drill all the holes at the moment just so that they go in really easily and exactly where I want them to go. Take off the band clamp, put on all the glue and assemble it as quick as possible. I'm going to use just type on original, but it's fairly cold today. I don't know what temperature it is, but the open time on this is going to be reasonably long, and it should be plenty of time for me to get it all assembled and clamped up properly. Okay. I'm gonna pop in headphones, listen to a podcast and get on with it. Alright, so it's been about 24 hours or so since we glued this up. It's all nice and dry. It seems to have come out nice and square as well, which I'm very happy about. I did check for square as I was going, but you never really know, especially with pine. So next thing to do now is get the clamp off, first of all. And then take out all of the screws from here, and the box joints are protruding a little bit. I found out actually the cavities are called sockets, so now we know that. So some of the pins are a little bit oversized, and I just want to flush them off or get as close to. I'm going to be rounding all these over, so it doesn't matter too much, but I do want this flush. In fact, the bearing is going to be running along there, so it has to be flush. I'm trying to figure out, I can definitely, once it's up like this, I can definitely use a plane. But when it's on this side, so it's on the side now, I think that's going to be too high for me to plane. So I might have to use a chisel for these ends. But yeah, I get stuck into that.